Okay guys, check that out. How cool is that? That's a handful of awesome. Little peanuts, fresh out of the incubator. Come on, jump. You scared to jump? The other one wasn't scared. In this video, I'm going to show you how I teach these guys to eat and drink. Now they're a little nervous because this is brand new for them. But they're very curious little things, you see? Just picking and pecking away at everything. Now the food I have for them is chick starter for chickens. This is what I feed my quail their entire life. It's 21% protein, non-medicated feed. You see, they're very, very curious little critters. So to get them to eat, all I do is become mama bird. Tap in the food. You just got to get one to eat. These haven't eaten anything yet. You just got to get one to eat, and then they'll all follow. Normally it goes quicker than this. Come on. There we go. There we go. You see that? What you got? What you got? What you got for me? That one's eating already. You see that? That's how hard it is to teach them to eat. Now, if you have chick starter that's a bit bigger pieces, this has little tiny pieces and a little bit bigger pieces. They can eat the little ones. I've seen other places where the food is a little bit bigger, too big for quail, for baby quail, and you have to break it up. Pestle and mortar or something like that. Don't pulverize it, turn it into a powder. They probably won't eat that. Birds, in my experience, don't like powder. Ducks maybe, but chickens and quail not so much. But it's easy enough to break it up. It's only for a couple days. These the dog found a bird in the yard. These guys grow really fast. In 6 weeks from now, these will be laying eggs. They're very fast turnover. Now the water. The water is a little bit tricky. You see, I got rocks in my water. A lot of people use marbles. What kind of water you use, or feeder for that matter, it's up to you. It's a 1,000,001 options available. I like this for the feeder, something that they can get into at this age. I go to a bigger feeder, the one with the bars across it. Once they get older, you cold? Are you cold? As you can see, I don't use the heat lamp. I don't need one. I'm sweating right now. But this guy just come out of the incubator, and it's a bit of a shock. When they get cold, they'll all huddle together. Except that one. The other ones are running. Come eat. Come on. I think you go eat. You'll feel better when you eat. Oh, here you go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. For the water itself, like I say, I have rocks in there. That's so they don't go for a swim. Baby quail are notorious for sleeping in the water. And trust me, they're not actually sleeping. They go for their one final dip the first day. Sorry, Bill. So what I do the same thing with chickens. Just take them, hold their head, and just dip it in the water, just so their beak is touching the water. That's their first drink. He just had his first drink. I'll do it again. Not enough to drown them, don't worry. Just enough to get that one drop of water on their beak. Now he knows what water is. He knows where the water is. Don't go swimming. We'll do it with all of them. There you go. Tip your head back. There you go. Got that. Let's try and not have my big fingers in there. Come on, buddy. Tiny little guy. You see, watch this. Just dip them in. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, hold him like this, hold his wings in. He just got his head. See that? You drink. There you go, first drink. And you just gotta watch them for a day or so to make sure they are going to the water. This is a little bit high for them. What I can do, because it's so high, because I hang my waters, that way they're adjustable. As they get bigger, I'll lower it down, or sorry, lift it up. The farther you can keep the water away from the straw, the cleaner it'll be. The cleaner it'll stay. So I'll just lower it down just a wee bit to make it easier for them. There we go. Now you can get right in there. You want to make it as easy for them as possible. Where's the other one? Look at that. You don't even know he was buried. Wow, that was close. That's not very smart. For the first 2 or 3 days, I always take the water out at night, just to be safe so they don't go swimming during the night. We'll get these guys in the house so they can stay nice and warm. We're outside here in the yard for the light. Cute, cute, cute little guys, that's for sure. They're fun to watch. I do have more. We'll get them all in together. Let them run around, very curious at this age. Like to explore and pick at things, and that's why it's so easy to get them to eat. It's a natural thing for them to pick at stuff, you know. As you can see, this one's a little chilly. Oh, you a little cold, want to get back inside? Yeah. Alright guys, well there it is, baby quail. How I make sure they got food and water, teach them what to do. That is a very upset chicken. You know, it's just the way I do it. It's not the only way. Like everything in life, there's 1,000,001 ways to do it, and you need to find which way works best for you. This works for me. Oh, see what I mean by them going in the water? They always do that. They head for the water. And then once they get wet, they can't get back out, you know. It's not so bad after 2 or 3 days old. But first day out of the incubator, taking a shower, not such a good idea. They're hiding. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video in particular and you've subscribed already, give it a like. Why not? Oh, they're fun little guys, that's for sure. Little peanuts. Look like chipmunks. Hey, buddy. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.